array by using the two pointer approach. It is very simple and the time complexity is big often. And how to solve this I will explain. Take the two pointers, one is a left pointer and there is right pointer, and left pointer is placing at the leftmost index and the right pointer is placing at end of rightmost index. Then after, what we need to do, just swap the elements which are at the left pointer and right pointer. I just swapping the elements. Then after, what we need to do, just move a left pointer a step forward and the right pointer a step backward. Then after, I need to do the same step. I need to swap the elements. Then after, I just need to move a left pointer a step forward and right pointer a step forward. I need to move these two pointers until the condition left less than or right. Less than right. It means until here the condition is satisfied, then the pointers are just swapped, just moved, not swapped. Then after, when it reaches to here, the both pointers are equal. Means the both pointers are pointing to the same index. Then we need to stop here and we'll see this is the this is the final answer of reversing an array. And I will explain the code also. Here we taking the array here and I'm pointing the left pointer to the leftmost index and I'm pointing the right pointer to the rightmost index. Then I moving the pointers until left less than right, just swapping the elements and moving the pointers. Then after, just printing them. Is very simple. If you run this, we will get a reversed array. See here. Let us run this. See here, I am giving the input as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the reverse array is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's very simple and this is the explanation.